In order for us to find the equation of a straight line passing through 2 points, we first of all have to calculate the gradient of that straight line. The gradient will be given by gradient is equal to change in y coordinates over corresponding change in x coordinate, which is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that is equal to, take the y coordinate of point B, which is 11, minus the y coordinate for point A, which is 3, over the x coordinate of point B, which is 6, minus the x coordinate of point A, which is 2. When you subtract and divide, you will get the answer being 2. So that means the gradient of the equation, the gradient of the straight line passing through these 2 points, the gradient of the straight line passing through these 2 points is 2. Now the next thing we do after we have finished that is to take another general point xy on which the line passes. Remember, a line passes through many points. So there is that general point xy on which the line passes. That one, we take it together with one of these 2 points and we calculate the gradient, which we know is equal to 2. So we shall say, if we take this general point xy we have taken here and this point, and we try to calculate the gradient again, we shall say y minus 3, in other words, this y coordinate minus the y coordinate here, which is 3, over the x coordinate here, which is x, minus the x coordinate here, which is 2, should still give us the same gradient 2, because we are talking about the same line. Now, at this point, we need to remove the denominator. So we can only do away with the denominator by multiplying both sides by it. So cross multiply here, or multiply both sides by x minus 2. So we shall have the left side multiplied by x minus 2, and we do the same on the right side. So this x minus 2 will cancel with x minus 2. We remain with y minus 3 being equal to 2 times x gives us 2x, and then 2 times negative 2 will give us negative 4. Now we take this 3 across equal signs. We shall have y remaining here. We shall have y remaining here being equal to this 2x minus this 4. Then when this negative 3 crosses equal signs, we shall change it to positive 3. If you simplify this, you will get negative 1. So we can write this equation as y is equal to 2x minus 1. And this is the equation which passes through these 2 points here. The second question wants us to find the equation of a straight line passing through points P and Q. So first thing, as usual, is to get the gradient. So we shall say gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is equal to the y coordinate here is 0 minus the y coordinate here is 5. So 0 minus 5 over the x coordinate here is negative 2 minus the x coordinate here is negative 10. Remember, when a number has 2 signs which are similar or alike, then the sign operating there is a positive. So this is like negative 2 plus 10. So that will simplify to 0 minus 5 is negative 5 over minus 2 plus 10 gives us 8, and that is the gradient. Then take another general point xy on which the line passes, and you pick one of these 2 points. You calculate the gradient again, but because we have it as negative 5 over 8, we shall equate it to negative 5 over 8. So we shall have, if we take this point and this one here, we shall say y, this y here, y coordinate, minus the y coordinate here, which is 0, over the x coordinate here, which is x, minus the x coordinate here, which is negative 2, will still give us negative 5 over 8. Now, minus negative 2 simplifies to positive 2. So we shall have y minus 0 over x plus 2 is equal to negative 5 over 8. Then cross multiply. Okay, not cross multiply, but multiply both sides by this denominator, because we are trying to remain with y alone on this left side of the equal sign. So we multiply both sides by x plus 2. And we do the same here. So this x plus 2 and x plus 2 cancels. We remain with y minus 0 being equal to negative 5 over 8 times x gives us negative 5 over 8x. Then negative 5 over 8 times 2 gives us negative 10 over 8. Then take this 0 across equal signs. Of course, it will not change anything because 0 has no value. So we shall have y being equal to negative 5 over 8 minus 5 over 4 when this one is simplified. So this is the equation of the straight line which passes through point P and Q.